ni weta nao na nyuma ya ndionge ni kwethire gukiumira rwaria kwibethire baita baningo kanyamu bangi utibyo banenkerwe lakini bia batabire bia irikire ndionge imantu ige kwariria weti nambere Amero barengienda kumea ibyo biongwa Amero bethire ba bakinenkerwa kuma kana kitheti kia maendeleo kira kiumire State House nikire ku ntuku ya Juma na aratongere baba atongeretwo ni Governor Meru mutumantu ethingia kenda kwariria witi na mbere ebo county ya Meru harana batu kulukira 23578 namba ya SMS through live kiri Facebook through live kiri YouTube kedran kidoma antumiri chia kura tuita na mbere na mubango yo. Karibu sana mheshimiwa.
Thank you baga sana my brother Edward ntuba kungwata ogeni oringi kenda tumba kwaradiria na Mumeru mbugeke Mumeru oni beta Osirio Kaimenyi Kinoti na turajo kenda tumba kwerimishana of course inkarangi choka irio kairi teka mbije mono nawe Mumeru uga gutimbije teri so mbere nkwire twirane na finally tinde twithiro twije
fair enough. No rekire ndionge State House tuko Juma?
Yes. In the State House Juma amwe na Meru para bangi pale State House a very big number kumanajo Jumeru buke kulingana na woni mochemeno jora State House jwali mochemeno very important kulingana na migambo ya President William Ruto I mochemeno joko evaluate mindi term katika tamu yawe imbio mbita kuthithia mwankau especially towards Ameru imbio mbita kuthithia kiri Ameru of course ko evaluate imbi ombita kuthithia for that period of time as the president na imbia go project kuthithia mbere ya tamu yawe thira
so dene ya Kenya kana dene ya Meru
dene ya Kenya na by extension Meru of course you cannot discuss Meru without Kenya no interventions imoire adidhetie in national interventions but of course tiena effect kire Mumeru directly or indirectly muchemano jure muchemano very productive mbuge number 1 opportunity nionekere ya kwira president the neira baututuri nacho and I want for the first time gochokia nkatho kira tongeria pa Meru bonde batongeretwe ni governor mutumantu ithinkia senator Kadhuri Murungi ajumbe Meru MCAs na kinyas the other civil leaders baratu inabonde ni Meru nonto for the first time Meru ni ombere kwaria na sauti emwe actually in that meeting atongeri betikaniretie that agenda yao ika articulated in governor Wenka pau bange bonde batu ika recognized na governor bambite gukarande guru na atongeria bangiri points iriku babatere kwira president imantu jari ko babatere kuroba kuma kiri president na president arajuki opportunity noe kwariria issues iria governor arisite kiri speech yawe na kwariria mantu jari ombite kuthithia ndene ya county ya Meru mbuge at least ntukwerea inda menyere kuri na mirandi itete na mbere Meru imwe revive na itete na mbere actually at least for that day da menyere nyakuri mirandi ekamilikite Meru ya thirikari ije I used to think gote murandi kinyajo mmoja thirikari ije yo athira but that day inda menyere kuri ethiri for a good example I barabara ere kuma ya kuma Kithirune kurukira Rubiri gweta Monka aria Nkubu Ramsey no, not Ramsey but Riverbank barabara eu ina mirite au ibarabara ya mbere rethiri ya thirikari ije it's complete tigerie actually it's about 90 something % complete no tengo tigerie yake the drainage system of course drainage ni tio yongwa maybe caravats na bibio bitigera yake unio session iraba kuthithia pathirane na barabara teu so it was an opportunity ya kumenya mirandi ya thirikari ira itete na mbere ni iriku mirandi ya thirikari ira bago project kuthithia before 2027 ni iriku na kinya mirandi ira bombete kuthithia to completion ni iriku so ni kulingana na woni it was a productive meeting and it is a meeting ya batere kuthithia ko uwe thithikire ni unto at the end of the day timantu jonte jomba kwarua forum ne chionde kuona opportunity ya kwere swante to iria one on one pole you are taken through that process kidogo tu ukiriretie bambere marire oriongirite mtu kwawe ni tharo ino opportunity mtu uria akwira freely no ntu oriongite kwa mtu you are like a friend kiriwe.
So kaime in 3 years president ya bure murandi yo mwage yo kinyamirite
me. I've just given an example. Kada uga woni joranda amenyere jodirete already. But momero no ethero atije. But that platform gave an opportunity ya to baba ingi kumenya kuri mirandi kinyite completion yo ambere ire thirikari na ijo thiri na good example ni unda ejana ya barabara kuri nenge ingi nyingi but a good example, the first example new ya barabara iwe kuma Kithirone gweta Rubiri gweta Nkobwa Riverbank. That road is about 90 something, I think 98% complete. Ntemba kuga pase how much ntekurikana president wekano gire I think it is 98 nonto bireti geri Karavat peke yake system si wingi chionde ichidireta chia barabara ukenda itana mbere as we speak ntukweri ndamenyere kinyamirandi na tutura kuge kwami contractors bari on the ground rimwe na rimwe no twariente to najo ground ine na itu tugoche experience first hand but tote unonto mwananchi the most unfortunate thing ya siasa inyoka litanguge ndongi atea utekuga no kulitanguge mwananchi no ethero akimiona indi akalija mtu okuni kimetho wakaraja mtu okuinira mundune wena dancing style ndongi kabisa lakini ntu mundune ori kutoka ona ore okuina but ko dance no ko dance ino ntu mundune ko dance ra kutoka menya dancing style kure kali buga riu inyo tunangite ore akwigu gukomboka inyamu ire ugichunanga. So some of the contracts kana some of the projects flagship projects ya President William Ruto irati akwamire on that day na gwetere imwe na woni ndaigwa kauma ichi kwamuki. A good example ibarabara eje kuma Coca-Cola eje kuma Jojo Riverland ewe Coca-Cola witia Mpori Kithaku kwa gwata kaire getakumira Katheri ikatonya neo ire itete kuma Kithirone market ikena Mabwenjero igeta Kariene ikena Makagoma igeta Monka giaki antu gwetwa Kambao barabara eu na gwetere uga the contractor is on the ground na kinya woni from where I sit I can attest it is true na kinya da iji nke janu ndo uma bodho go west I can attest the contractor is on the ground da ito kwaria section ya kuma Mabwenjero gwitia ya kuma Kariene gwitia Kakoi contractor ora umeta side ewe bamuro ne ali da iji eu nyo section ira kuthithia right as we speak barabara eje kuma ujojo aja Coca-Cola witia Kithaku ni rathithirwe likapetini ontonere contractor barabara aria gwikira twari yambia kwenjoka inya mbere ya thiri yangu gewe na rali kapetereka section kau witia gu and I want to brief nonto thaiji kuona ndakacha ya Kithaku ara kunukia kuma Kithaku kenda wita bwa Katheri ndakacha ewe ria umuro right now as we speak no contractor kuthithia. So I want to brief that contractor is on the ground na ntekwirigira akauma kairi nonto akati akauma kairi akerukira ngugeu then it would be wrong nonto mwananchi bila kwenda kuona ngugeu. And I want to say it is nothing to do with 2027 nonto 2027 teruju 2027 imiaka iri ikeja na kura je 2027 chiakinya. There are so many factors to consider. Oteringa kura nonto kwa kwena manto ja mengi jara mtu atakaira kiringa kurewe for free we manto factors ira mwananchi ikairia ndebene te nguge yake te kanyu ora mtu akwaria te manto ja mengi jara mwananchi ekaira amwe but for now nonto riri ni igitara ngugi bia mbere bila tupatere kwa appreciate bila bikumania na michemania tera nonto kugeza contractors boy gochoka ground na ndaririria chiri akwina woni
so kaime ruwa the chairman you tare about 2027 right imbibi yanto bainara two term
ndenaga experience kidogo ga siasa kidogo sana na imbije inyamumero uga mbaragia boega muchinkwendo na tutiri titore amiru so muchemanio ne juria whether we like it or not kila president yakwenda kuigwa bara bakina gakana arenda kuigwa ateana so ketha bautu tukona services kiriwe ikumwira buu that is politics.
So that means isiasa za 2027
isawa kiriwe isiasa za 2027 but kiriwe ni jamu miru bilia kwenda ingugi ya compromise daichi ikeja kwithwa kama promise 2027 kenda ndithiria bibi wacha nimpatie hiyo promise anifanyie kwanza nuntungugiria akalita whether he comes back as the president kana mtungeje itichokerwa ikethro eliti tayari nuntu na endwa ndira kwira kaire ajuju the most unfortunate thing nera unintenda to experience Jamiru ituchokera kaire wethinera twa chikurukiririe Jamiru between 2017 na 2022 between 2017 na 2022 Amiru itu twathurite thirikari president Uhuru Kenyatta twamithurite overwhelmingly na Uhuru anenkeri kura I think Meru was ranked 5th county if not 54th county kire kunenkera Uhuru kura nyingi nene Kenya na tuko mwakura iria rira Uhuru bamenanire na Ruto arebebera thirikari na ria thirikari nene ajumbe beto benzo baratwika passive kwithira be pro Ruto we lost a lot nuntu mirandi yonde ere Meru I am telling you ge kwamire yonde literally barabara imwe cheji tukugweta chiambiri tu egita riu bati chirakwama barabara chireta kuthithwa Kisumu chireta kuthithwa Siaya chireta kuthithwa Nara Raila baumite na antu bawe kenda beja thirikari-ini we lost our 5 years as a community 5 years gutubio twathithirwe thirikari batu twekirite in power I wouldn't wish as a community again to lose another 5 years between 2022 to 2027 atinuntu siasa cha 2027 ichejete cha 2027 cheja chigatwithira twakinyera siasa ene tutajipanga as a community tuone ina interest yetu is better taken care of but for today now as we speak mtu ule akiwa ina cheki ya Kenya umba kuthithia something tangible for the people William Ruto whether na kuthithia or not he is the only person with a check ya kuitangugira chipatere kuitika na tutipatere kuthithia mistake twairwa tumwebera thaiji ithare ngugi tumatuka ati guitira antu bara batamwa kura ngugi na tuchoka twita kura kaire twita guchwa thirikari ingi 2027 what if tuchwe thirikari ingi 2027 tuikinya 2028 2029 mbuga ba komena na thirikari ni ajuju twambiria kaire kuma na thirikari na twita guchwa ingi 2032 hatugatura twituria Meru ngugi yetu iguchwa thirikari geto tethia antu bangi it is upon us as a people kurealize riri ni gita yangu gitira kura ikeya na kura otoga wikiria ndebe no geta kuringa we ugo wengwa so for now because kura titikuringo ruju let us give the support kire Ruto complete support na realize Meru tu nawe atuthithirie bire byo thia kwambo tuthitheria atukaritie antu bara atano chia bara bari kirimene nderea patura gutura turi gintu kimwe patonya thirikari ne baka kubia bionthe biejete kiripo nkurukia ura bikeja ke batwi bira bingi biejete kiripo tukathithia mistake ku bathingata blindly twambirio bathingata nontu ba interest yao na batonya thirikari ne taya kure baka tureta ira gwetu no kwao bigetaka bautu thaiji kwanja thaiji au karajeka nderu ule bakumwebe bakidogo bautu tubatari gutonya kiwe gatigati bira bionthe omba kureta bieje thaiji kintu kionga gya tumba kuthithirwa ikija thai miaka iyo iri tigere tubatera kwatikisha tuku benefit beyond how we should have benefited before tugikinyara urari tugachoka na ndi tukarende kurasa community to evaluate watu promise ite barabara ekore ikariate watu promise ite barabara ekianja hii miathene ire gwita monka
nyomponi
eu ni tu promise ite ikariate watu promise ite barabara empuri ya Coca-Cola mpuri kithaku katheri kithirune gwita monka kambao ikariate watu promise barabara ekinjo ya katheri kinjo ikweta monka kambao kairi ikariate we sit down and evaluate ikenya kwithro and I'm telling you inyanto bara twali na bobonde bara twali na bo bara twanadie na bo tukiuma State House many of them were saying William Ruto akenya kumba gututhithiria project iwa gwetana kanywa kawe bautwi Jamiru tutibatare kuga twi ine shai ko munekera kura nuntu guti mutongerio kathinjwa achurwe buchari arewe nyanyama
but tikure gukua essence yo kama tanto na bus week State House ya rempi
You know, politics is a game. Tukairania. Endo anti muntu de mwana itaka kinya uwimbi buliongana na chole baku. Sometimes no kiro kona kwega untu kwenda kwira a certain friend of mine mbuga Kilimanto jara tuthithaniria jetu ja kawaida anjo kinya good example ndi na kathina katubeche nkwenda kobitho tubecha muchore oro kwa kwenda nkobithia ngateka nkona kulingana na bechi ile nkwenda muromba ni nyingi ndamwira na thimu akajukia nteto uchi simple anandi ndi mwiteje kwa kwambuga murugire chai tunywe nawe tukinyunya chai mwire kana unimbete kwawe tunywe chai nwe tukarinde guru tukinyunya chai nuntu kwena kuguranirwo kuria ugo no chore riu nchoke mwerese thina cia kore ikari. I want to believe it is the same rationale William Ruto na kwenda kweja na report ya gugirio mbite kulita for those 3 years 2.5 years or so thiritwari thirikarine monka nusu etamuri imbi mpumbite kubuthithiria the best opportunity ya kweresa gugiria thithitie igweta Meru nuntu you see kinya akeja for example aja Meru town ejete gutwa nteto cia Meru agachemane na antu ba mutindo aki atiumba kweresa monka muntu uri kianja amenya kianja raja thithitwe atiumba kweresa monka muntu uri kanuni amenya kanuni mbie thithitwe anandi nuntu antu baba ni antu bakwa perceived ni antu bakwa ndibeta beje tukarende gurwa amwe nabo tunyunyanire chai it is normal na kwe narrative ingi ntenda kuigwa antu bakiaria inyauni na ugo tukauma radio tu thai ngeja gukuriungira gwaku na ndenda kurikana once ile president atumire wengwa ngeja kuriungira gwaku ntitiga kiugia kwanja na kinya ugo kejo ndiungira teko tiga gyaku gwaku.
What do you want to mean?
Tukinyunya naira chai eta kiu tuinyunya naira tuireja naira it is a good moment ya kuevaluate mbi tombete kwa achieve together. So it is the same rationale. Ila president atumire kwonibwe ga Meru beje tukare na bonde guru we do the evaluation together. Tumbe kwaraniria bambire biria meya kinya bautwe apart from president gutwe ributhithiritie kinya ngavana na jukiri opportunity kumwira biria bautu tuonete na metho na kumuchokeria nkatho biria tuonete nuntu as we speak gutika huntingi itite ku benefit ja bautwe kethira biria bionde biariro muchemaniro biria bikathithika. Number 1 into biria to promise no muchemaniro joria we talked about Meru level 5 hospital becoming level 6. Apart from gutwika level 6 mbere ikinya gutwika level 6 kwina mirandi itete na mbere level 5 hospital iregu implement ni KDF military project iria ciabatere kuthithwa murandi jwa milioni 500. That was the beginning. Out of muchemeno ja Friday we have been given a promise ya gwakirwa unity area extendwa unity gatumira 1 billion Meru level 5.
So another 500 million?
Another 500 million ya gutwika pumped in ke chibitare Meru teaching and Lifaru. Ewisko ene mono turi a Meru nuntu unity area ga kwaroda tega kwiro president aga kamataani kwao ni etwe go to benefit. Promise number 2. Right now as we speak kura ejete kuthithia barabara cia Meru chionde within town ya Meru nuntu there is projections cia in the near future Meru county ni kinyetie capacity ya gutwika a city. Meru town ni kinyetie capacity ya gutwika a city itomanto kidogo turatu tekinyanirite kenda yomba kuitithwa to city status. So kenda manto yomba gukinyanira in anticipation ya rera Meru gatwika city kiambere ito barabara tunde turatu within this town through robbing ya tongeria betu tuyete kuthithwa ni kura at a cost of 2.5 billion as we speak. Barabara cha taunini ajo kuthiuruka taunini at a cost of 2.5 billion.
Are you speaking of municipality?
They are Meru municipality by Meru municipality and the environs. Of course, the municipality onka ni kumara kina outside the municipality no to kende to city. The municipality ya town yake ni go extend to area sire ingira to kwa area. Barabara yuchi athithwa tujira tu to connect town. Thina ingi to gochithira njamune wetete mugutano kuma town yajo ujo you are forced to kuthinga tanjamu completely kana witia na the Ranger route eje nge gweta monka na tweta kwa DCI tujira tumwana to athithwa jatura tunyunjure na rakoti tujira tumwe turanagia ne ata tukaraga Tujiratira tunde tutu yete kudidwa at a cost of 2.5 billion. President yaugere they in the process of awarding the tender. So I want to believe by the 2027 together tonete kugimweta yu taunine yetu. That's a plus kile bautu ya Meru. Kile bautu ya Meru, we were promised Nithi bridge. Yes, idharaka Nithi county ere. But yanto baraba batumaira bridge ere amkroki. Ne Ameru nkroki yanto badharaka Nithi. There is no, apart from kuthingata route yeje ndaje gweta na nyuki kenda gweta Nairobi. Otuomba kwa access embu gweta that route otetumirete bridge yewe Nithi. So bridge ere ege akawa na Ameru totetheka. Already president yatwirira na committed 7 billion kire bridge yewe Nithi.
Atukinya bukire aweta na uete aka cibitare na uete aka bridge.
But an opportunity was there ya gutweresa commitment chawe nuntu for example yes Nithi na ugite but barabara iji ndakugwetera che mutindo ari na ari agutwira na committed mbeche iu atari agutwira
akia agathithia alafu atwira
you know but endo andi oni ndenda twa Mumiru the actual truth siasa tugire kairi ugeto gatonya nyomba ina kirindi kiugi ndo but stima ikorwa for example maybe ni utuku ukethuri mundu ni ori you are the best dancer ukaino chuna nga mwiri kapisa antobo inyabate kuringira mpi nunto baterona imbio thithia simple nunto imunde ne badithiti ate siasa nayo ukaitanguge nyingi intongi kapisa ende utekuoira mwana inchi ndekuthithia 1 2 3 4 withiro mwana na mtu ugo ku dance mundune so irazima president ethro akiugaga ndekuthithia ndekugita na te president yake everyone else agita ngugi ira kulita irazima ethro akira mwana inchi ndekuthithia 1 2 3 4 nunto mwana inchi ujo sometimes na iga interview biethithika nunto atari igwa ugo kiuga igwa thithitie kinya mtu ngia kaumira naja akawini ndathithirie whereas toe na mwana inchi ajuka yanta to ile era wa first hand bia mbere that is normal na the president Ruto wa mbere kuuga biri athithitie ni ugo kariuna ni ugo twirana no ugo kenderea nuntu eu ni onthe kurwira twenyo. So I want to say again we scorned a lot nuntu kiri barabara again kwina mirandi mingi muno egweterwe each constituency uti constituency kinyemwe ndene Meru itena barabara committed utio kinyemo kuma barabara ekore kuma barabara ya eu twariria kianja ime athene gweta eu ekugitania kagaene miomponi yes kwina barabara ja untuna ajo bore kwe barabara cia gweterwe nyingi sana kwe barabara jo ngugwete katheri gweta kinjo gweta kwena mirau ikweta barabara uteketwe ire committed it's a promise that the president yaejanire barabara icia gweterwe inyingi sana ire Amiru bagweterwe ire president bago committee mbecha and he said I want to quote his words across the country miaka iwira kuruka iri arari njirene gucokanira economy kuringana na migambo yawe already economy ni chokete barabara nera berigirite choka na today as we speak atwiraga ena 180 billion cha gukomiti barabara ne Kenya na bautu turi Amiru tutiriti na tutebatari kutha turiti 180 billion yeu kinya tutebatari gwakikisha tukuruma share injega yeja kwetu nundu nambuga gakairi
ndikuibwererwe percentage yenu ke wanite
yes uga ntukwira for example tukuga Nithi bridge ina billion mugwanja twina 2.5 billion ya barabara iji tia within town already mwaka jojo wake na promise re gukomiti some more 5 billion ke barabara iwingi utukwariria cia nau constituency ine iwingi utukugweta iuchitete na mbere utukuga contractor bari ground ine so there is a lot that is happening na kira ni nkuromba Mumiru gutikuri kuringwa ruju tukarekeria tuikwa siasa ene tia kinya uni ni ngwa nterambiria kuthugania kure kwa naranga ikia nuntu ticho chikuringwa ruju this is time yangu
kaimene wo wa 2 term
isawa nkwirire kaire atiri igitare on the mati and nkeja
kabwete kura president
and as a friend of mine kuri analogy ndakwa yambijite gukuromba umpa something
mwetekeri ogua nendiri kiuri yakwa ni atiri kabwete to promise muzore ogu itu tam no te wa 2 term
you know 2 term e pegged kiringo gichi without ichio kinya ningwa ndebene nteta kuga aje bwana tikeja kurega kinya, that's a fact.
Yes,
tikeja kurega kinyanira uti ibubu tu chore bo mwekuru na antu murume uga ati tugetera ngai tuge murungu agatutharimira kana na ara bwa mbere ari bunu chore bo gisiasa. It's you give me, you scratch my back, I scratch yours. So ngugeji oto promise, ngugeji to promise ite nyambere to kunengera kura tia kinyanira kinyani ngwa ntigwo gwa bakuga tuta muna ante ukira but jite kinyanirite tikeja kurega kinyanira tikeja kurega kinyanira ai bwana tuteta ruti but at the same time tuteomba ku evaluate either ikinyanirite na arua. We can only do that evaluation ya bila to promise either ikinyanirite around 2027 December, not 2027 but 2026 December next year December. It is time now Jamiru ya kuambiria ku evaluate watu irite okathithia 1 2 3 4 ina ukinyetie bi watu iririte tuona at least you know muritwa akeja kugwata 75% kiri kigerio muritwa gwetherwe na hii na inyoro gwete 98% no yeye agwete tukeja ku mark tukona kiri promises iji chionde president na kugwata 75% tugewie katuite ruti yetu tukachoaga 25 tuendelete lakini gukeja kwa ari gwata below 50 we shall have to look for alternatives but tutochecho alternative yu narua kai kagita kagugi President William Ruto natigerie budget tia miaka ingiri ira batere ku implement ari wewe ngo
rega na babo tete State House no toba maendeleo abo tete kunenkero kanyamu na ikumwire matheta muno kire antu pakiwa ko banenkero gantu bange bare kunenkero so ya kabo arere billion kadhaa cha barabara cha Meru urario ikwethori nyatije bilioni mbi atobanga nona bana bomba kore ambi tinya bilioni kinya kuota yo tinya kuota kinya 10% yo tiga mtu atije bwana imbi wa kwariria ibo arire kantu kwe kintu ndakwira kaire na no ibo arire kantu yes bete kinya ntumira migambo ya Ruto ya tumira twinao kinya rire eja Meru nuntu neja ngite Meru president eja rire eja kuriunga Meru ri eja gatwariria gachoka gathutha ndege akana. I remember many times especially igitara campaign eja Meru mbere ya uma Meru akamba gwitira aruba akarande guru akundwe kombe ke chai arumo gantu akaumwe na energy riu nyakita akiuma u lazima achoke bwana Nairobi no ete county ingi ageta kuriunga ku migambo ewe yongwa kuote ndikuti agwa kale anda ariunga Meru ntatiga ke u Nairobi ndejangi kamatite Meru karabira bie Meru so kinyarere ai invited ya Meru Nairobi no mongenya so kinyarere ai invited ya Meru Nairobi no mongenya barume Meru batetiga ke u Meru beta na ke bagikamatite nuntu ipatie mwiri so baginya nderura o ure jaga gwetu ejaga kundwa chai akarumwe bia kuria no ukinya wengwa nderura abatere gutiritia Meru nuntu kinya rujo na uke akeja kairi na mirandi eja go to promise ekeja ku edra ne gukinyanira definitely akeja several times maybe kurauch maybe kurugurethiri maybe akeja neja akare bietu so kedra akeja na are bietu kinya turira twitite tubatere kuria biawe kairiri State House neu ni etu ya Meru ni etu ya Kenya ni etu ya wananchi so kedra ni etu ri nuntu State House ina budget ya bia kuria na bia kunywa na kinya entertainment iri na budget beyond the bien budget 24 why do we leave others bale ebio pautu tutikuona she ebio pautu twaringire Ruto kura so kedra ko ni benefit yone kana thirikari iji inya kedru in benefit yai to batare gwita tukona benefit yu so don't you feel discrimination on tote tuende to at State House but at the end of the day end one definitely gutiro president yomba gwita na muchemani eta everyone kinya kedru Meru ejite akejaja mutindo for example is there a way tumba ku make sure the 1 something million Meru people ba kweja muchemani juju president is it possible idi no it is not so definitely kinya kwa karate gutire akomba gwita everyone since atumba gwita everyone we have to agree as a community to represent ndiba kai nuntu nyo at the end of the day kira bahutu tukwenda imirandi iji ija kwetu ne teta karende guru na bau bakai abae promises
abaririe barijanire na banyunyanire bagwiranirwe inya wengo igwe nkoro egwiritwe ejathithie biria tukwenda ground-ine bitethie kila mtu bibwe bina gitumi so mwananchi everyone bila uhitaji ibarabara ile tukugweta bila uhitaji istimera to promise stima ya kila pahali actually mbejira gweta rijete Meru county cha stima is close to 3 billion ila rijete Meru cha stima mwaka juju wake na bila mwananchi aguhitaji ibiu na ibe bigato benefit twin bila mwananchi aguhitaji chibitale Meru level 5 yakirwa unit ile gwakwa na at the end of the day upgrade to level 6 bila mwananchi aguhitaji bila mwananchi aguhitaji promise ile twaerwe ya Kenoru Stadium Kenoru Stadium twererwe kulingana na evaluation yao ara kenine kyo kyongwa gite karibu wega na track inyayongwa ite karibu wega na gukomiti beche ingeku kithithuro kibatare ko gikinye standard direct abatare ko gikinyite kenda kinenkanirwa kiri Meru county ke karibu wega bibi bya mwananchi aguhitaji anto beto bone akudithiria youth beto bone akudithiria practice so iji inge ni nwendos na nkurie nuntu baraba besa indire ngi ibo bakuga president netere Amiru bare na banywanga na bathithia ariri antu beta kuriunga wa munyoro ri umbirete kabatiga yunja chiao ningi bari jano ningi bari jawa munyoro ningi banyunya wa munyoro so everywhere antu bagakara ande guru bia kuria bia thithiro nuntu ba muntu te muntu aithiro nuntu bia kuria kama muntu areo muntu murungu amba bia kuria nuntu ba muntu so arao nde kugetano pakare na banywi batikira kena gitumi imbi ikaumane na muchema ndio
imbio wetira wananchi bathurire atongeria ibathurire MCAs bathurire MP utita MP obaridie anto go waste resources cia kunenkera antu ukera atongere ba ibuto bangite ni onto tuthura atongeria
but that is why you go wrong.
Why am I going wrong?
The fact that ito athurire atongeria does not mean we are limited by those leaders. No. Tuthurite MPs kenda tene Meru County. It doesn't mean that the MP bau kenda ibo ene the best mathugania ati gote mtungi oba kuthugania. Tuina atongeria bangi batithuri na kura imwananchi batine atongeria kinya chama ni bakanisa, chama ni ba minanda, chama ni ba coffee factories, chama ni ba dairy sector, chama ni ba bonda, chama ni ba na charity ba ikundi bia thoko no atongeria na atongeria babatere gukarande guru bagatikirate issues nuntu actually major issues ira to aragiria chigwa affect mwananchi atongeria ba ibo babo affect directly baba thuri na kura they are affected yes but the level of impact ya effect kiribo ninka as compared kirojo rengira undina completely. Why am I saying so? Edra barabara ni thuki mtura wiga wa impact ya barabara kuthuka directly ichama ni wa ndiri nuntu nwe iria likuma station frani litete kana likinya kurene kana likinya at the right time rira ringi barabara ni thukire ikurire iritikire inya mbere likinya iu ni asare nene muno na murimi ne irijukiru ki murimi na irigirite kuriwa so ketha kuri muntu ungi batare gwita kwa security issues kiora njere batare ukara imu kamiti
then I should not elect an MP or MCA.
No, MP noe enanguge we registration oversight na kuthithia sheria nene mbunge na biu bieto kumwendera kenda chama ni uju bakare na MP ndeguru amwerese thine kwa barabara 1 2 3 4 ichochu one perfect iketo mieria ante kumba kuongera murimi mbecha iketo mieria rete kumba gukinya the right time iketo mieria rekari 1 2 3 4 iketo mikawa gete this and that na MP ete akathithia sheria ete akaroketi resources kire barabara yu kenda chithithika so all these leaders are important na rĩrĩa president ya gwĩta atongeria it is very right ukarande kuruna atongeria bonde whether bathuri na kura whether bathuri minandene whether bathuri kanichene nuntu bonde pena gitumi na bena biria pakamatirita wananchi bao
before ndo SMS kwe antu barira muno bare konti baituma mitandaone bakiwa ibanire ambo kwe antu barumiraga antu batatire kiu nende kwe barira nau na itonere former governor ishaini na clip yumno mitandaone so kabo arire bangi baba choki ampara
so mbuge kulingana uni there is a possibility that ugu mitambia muno mutandaone ethirwa no creation ya ndeto yu you know politics is ntenda gutumira rieto is a data game but to some extent it becomes a dirty game. So kule antu bonekere bakamatina nisa nambi bagikagwa no, you do not know no baferete no. Could it be that mtojo gutambia nteto yu omba kuthwa no maviraisa antu gwita muchemanio ni antu bateti endo andibite kiria mbere mumiru utiumba kumaje ujo waku na arua wita state house uchiketie whether director or inyoka tho kwenda president kinyoka tho ko ri muntu wita gwate we utiumaje ujo thaiji wita state house ukuruka gate ukuruka buru ukuruka monka state house. It is not possible. Kenda kwithira kwina muchemanio state house, there is proper arrangement. Proper arrangement that actually kinyoka ethuribo kwenda kuona president bwebwe poteta kuitu kwenda kuona president katuje state house. It is the president that invites you. No batere kubwarika akabwira nande ibo arombete ibo kwenda tuonana nju nipure antu 10 tuonane antu babu 10 bakatumiro invitation kenda bomba kwa piano no ethiro maybe kandi no kenda bona kidia nansi engetine. So it is the president that invites without invitation yawe kinyoka etho kori utikinyaku. That's a protected area na niko batare kuthwa ukalini untupwa security purposes ikuru ekalingithwa ibautu tura ya Kenya turingithitwe. So for security purposes wote muntu mba gochita ajo ya magochika. So
president
what I want to say is
yes
okay through oti invited we why do you go utira alikwa utira etwa imbiweterete no atiko iko ringa kibara state house ni eto ya Kenya ezi ni eto but it is a protected area ile ni eto to ya Kenya lakini wanajeshi baba mikaliti ni institution yao. So tutemba kuruma kumara na abo to amua to state house. So kedra ugo ti invited to. For example Friday atongeri ba the number of people baba tereguikia. Na prior to the meeting paradithia list chanto baraba iketie. List chiradidwa chanto baraba etete state house. MCA bale na slots chiao chanto baraba iketie. MP bale na slots chiao chanto baraba iketie. Governor na na slots chiao chanto baraba iketie. Senator the same, women rep the same, nominated MP the same. Everyone nari na antoba nuntumbejeta balia na amiru bonde. Na tongeria bao baraba batongere ti bagwi. Ogwenjo ule MCA njo na antoba kubanga na ojo, ule MP njo na antoba kubanga na ojo, ule governor njo na antoba kubanga na ojo. Tochemani na amiru kenda na ndembere ntobira nkoba ditheria. Muntu wonde na represented. Na tongeria barabara dithia list prior to the day. List ili apart from kudhidu wake chitoma wa state house before. Actually a day before. A day before ntukwe gweta. Chi verify na chi approve. It is even possible NIS kuga so enso akakinya. Nuntuke ja kuza kuri mtu list neu. We tike terra groups. Na maybe investigations ichi kuona nyeu. When they allow that person to come. I am telling you there is proper verification. Bereanto beta. So once that one has been done, irianto beta ka state house. No geta no, you have to be verified again. Bere ukuruka, were you invited? So okay ja kwithro uwe uteti. Utero na mwaliko jo gwita itobu. Kinyoke ja kwithro mutongeri omwo bara bathuri imutano nyakwe kana imwaro nyakwe kana nyimu chiari oku kana nyigwe muchiari owe ethro te ariki please do not go there. Aliana mutongeri ogu oku mwira next time anto bali kwali itobu consider petenya ni ngwande da gweta kuona state. Menya I'm telling you kwe baba nginya bakwenda kuliunga state house ya Kenya ba miona na mezo. Ni mtu indego inyomba yetu ikieni yetu yani i property yetu ya Kenya kwe baba ingi bairire irinya kumiona akure kali. So it is okay kwenda gweta whether waliki kana utariki it is okay mtu kwenda gweta no nuntu igwetu eni naku utemba kuchikia antu ti invited na kwina procedures iri tumairo gweta ku. So bwambere antu bana betete but invited that one was wrong and na tuti batere kurekerio onto jabubu tukalikira ya miru na nimbugete is unfortunate na ninte kuona jeka antu barabonde bari invited. I understand ibonere biria president yanenkanirite biebi yao ibe kenda of course go compensate garama nuntu kuri bo batigire ngugi ciao go compensate time eu batere nuntu ngugi ra ko ija kuthija na kuja kuthwa ke na something so barabonde barabari invited properly ibonere into biao
so
bara ba chiketie na somehow there is a possibility kwithwa kaba mobilize itwe if is a prophet of doom ntujo utekwendera miru mantu ja mega para ba chiketie maybe ibo barira mitandaone but from where I sit allow me to speak for the team ira iketu Senator Kadhuri Murungi nuntu ibingete kambi for the team ira iketu Senator Kadhuri Murungi by around 5:30 we were sorted na tuitire
so babu bo kadingira Kadhuri kura bwen kabonto ibwe cross
get me right
yes
that kura kairatiri a representation of our people you know and bara beti state house te bara bakaringa kura Ote kura tiara iro tia tondo na it is important to remember the truth. It's a representation ya Meru kenda ku evaluate ngugira thirikari yumbite kurita miaka eu yethiritwo eriku na go project imbie kathithia before 2027. Aringi bakura ingira undine bari. Aringi bakura ina jojo bari. Bati aringi bakura ibo ene gutara chama ni omunanda. Na chama ni omunanda na bakirishete. Ibo ene gutara chama ni kanisa maybe somewhere. Na mbuga chama ni una bakirishete. Ibo ene gutara chiarende wagikundi kya thoko. Na chiarende wagikundi kya thoko na bakirishete. Ibo ene gutara chama ni bonda group 1 2 3 buga mo ijiri tatu. Na ibaba represented mo chama ni joriko. And I want to say this again and again. When our leaders are called to represent us, kinarere MPs beta ba karanze kuru muchema ni bato akirishete, I feel represented nuntu ini taleta mutongeri orea ali representative wakwa. So nuntu gutiro gukombeka, and I'm repeating this again, kinya America which is the first world kutentu kuyombeka president yeta Americans bonde pakara bonde guru kinarere bakwenda ku evaluate mbina binya America beta ka fraction of the people bakara na bonde guru baka make decisions, but the decisions iri amchika affect mwananchi wonde.
Right.
And that is how things are done.
Fair enough. Ogelogera mutambo your Facebook kuna Vincent Maxwell wa tell him to eat his 20k, dreams are delusional. Kakoromone market has not started, level 6. The foundation right now is stoned. I'm in Meru, general commitment never fulfilled. Wacha wakuje na projects na wa protect their employee Kadhuri. I think we are not okay.
Bere nyodo mewi ngibete kiriambu gatiri. Rome was not built in a day.
Okay.
There is a saying in English that says that. Rome wetakirwo na ntuko imwe. Process ye gwaka thoko ya gakoromone. Tegukira na kuga akino ntweko ya milioni magana jana na igwaka nandi. Kuna process ye procurement. Tendering process ya thirikari ire ina sheria ire thingatagwa. Kenda ita munka process yonde kuchora ndi BQ, ku invite tenderers, chikunurwa, chiawandwa, munka finally contractor na ndeja ground ine amberia ngugi. It is a process that and I can bet with this person. Maybe this person does not know. Atije murandi jo thirikari bere yo tagu implementwa. Chomba gukomitwa narwa, chuka jukemeri ingi tantatu kenda jo chomba guititwa ngugi. Teni untuka kui mtu guchethera onge, inuntu kwina processes ira sheria i provide teni untu bogo protect mwananchi bechi itekaure. There are procurement processes ili dideka. Chibitare Emeru level 5 unit ira ijeta kwa arure. Already BQ ne chorerwe na structure ne chorerwe, but nuntu bwambe chichi chirongererwe. That process has to be redone. Nuntu taka kuroba ka implement a project 1 billion na BQ 500 million. So therefore muntu jojo na batere kwerwa project ye thithirwa commitment. Itiomba kuruma kwambiria runene nuntu president yakuga. It is very that's a political statement around me to put it as that.
Yeah.
No monka iteka kaliro ende guru experts ba dingate process ile batere kudingato na ndia experts kenda project ile implementwa. But without that political statement inyagu implementwa. No monka kudokwena that commitment, political goodwill. Mbere kenda experts batigironguge yao. So mbere my I don't know whether it's a brother or a sister.
Yeah, it's a brother.
It's a brother. Yes. My brother. By the way, I am not here to speak for the president.
You're here to speak for what you want to do.
Yes, I'm here to speak for myself,
na bira oirite
na bira ndagirite
Yeah.
na bira ni ndagirite i project cia Meru menya ndire ko ciejite kenda 2027 igikinya nuntu nyani nkaringa kura mpumbe kumika an informed decision ntegete imbitweriri na imbie thithitwe without that information I am telling you ndenda kwira muntu uju kairi na ndikuga oringi President Uhuru Kenyatta twamuthurite tumwendete turamuringira kura nyingi muno but miaka yawe 5 between 2017 na 2022 we lost completely as a community guti murandi kinya jumwe jwa implement Meru between that time simply because netere guchwa chore bangi ome kuma kiri bautwe na turoririe batu bara twamunengerete kura William Ruto akwija turamwakure nyingi kaire ora twaringirite Uhuru Kenyatta twaibwo ringi tumare thirikarine turusi miaka ingi 5 ni oni ndekera but I'm not there kuthuraga thirikari itethia antu bangi thura thirikari itethia antu bangi ndenda kuona thirikari ije ntethetie ni thithie kaninti ni kawie komba uthithia ikeja kwithura itikinya pass mark na bwakwa timinengera kura ringi ya kinya pass mark gutumpa area gutimutongerio kathenja churwe mbucheri imathithio jaka ategwa ja muntu.
all right Muchena Sona karugwa very petty reasoning here. Gerald Taraka wa point taken. If we fulfill the promise, it is 2 term. Up to now, it is 1 term. Dan Githongo 012 alikuwa kaimia kwa sawa kabisa, but tumwambie sisi tuko nyuma ya Mutuma na kwa watu wa Mutuma wote pia walimaliziwa wakaenda. Kiki jana akawa mbona president asikuje mwenyewe anaita very few people bure kabisa. And then kuna Kamotho Mwangiarua anasikiza ground kweli.
Kutima kosa jaro kusikiza ground. Kutima kosa jaro kusikiza ground.
Right.
Na uni ndena thina na bauba kuga 1 term. I have no problem whatsoever. But I'm just telling them kuri itukulingwa na arua. Itukulingwa ruju. Itukulingwa inya next year. Chiriringwa 2027 August. Between today na 2027 August. Kachagua ugo kusikiza ground. Kutibia na bia kuletera Meru. The only person who has something ya kuofa Meru between today na 2027 William Ruto wenka. So nikire uni I may not be so smart but you are wakwa buri mbere itumukarie tuone nyaka ethirika jira kamwe nuntu no are mwe implement ja jonze ja gutwira but at least there is something that shall be implemented. Neteka rocho.
Why are you giving him benefit of doubt? A president cannot promise what he can't fulfill.
You see now inkwirere kairi ora kurene ndebene considerations iri nyingi kinya kengugi mantu ija maingi muno commitments ni nyingi te Kenya akya guthithiria gokugari bautu ja Meru tugeta tukairwo tukambia kuina 1 term nao urenda kwa Ruto akaja kuthingata project ichi yetu akauga bota mpebere simukae na shinda zenu. So therefore na tukena chionekana big inyabi kaibiabio kana bionde kena bionekana nina bwakwa na those that are of my school of thought inyake ja ruju nkamwiniro uwa kwenda kuinirwa igwa arete biri akareta twakinya na ari ndebene. I am telling you again twakinya na ari ndebene it is a time ya ku evaluate tukarende kuruturania atiri batu twirigirite mirandi 1 2 3 4 5 6 ni ngana yumbite ku implement ikeja kwithirwa atikinyitie nuchu yayo kinyani gwe oni na bwakwa inyaru twagare magwita ngugiri bunkwire for free ntithinga takachagua bururu for oni ndeka imeni
why
ende kwina bangi barantithia consideration
reason yeku
nuntu na ari deputy president na rire ari deputy president Ameru baraba ari thirikarine na nthueto utegekairi wone babutirwa ngugi continuously na unto bu woni bondo mamonka na arua baba ingi kuma nura de mwete bwa kakugweta marito yantu but baraba ichi
so wewe te bana
ends of parastatus
so wewe te bana ba chokiru thirikari no tunetre last year
na ndinio the most unfortunate thing riria uibu karikaga kuja kubureke bishore ta wega butithikara ici kubomora ira ici nkurukia waka na ndero ganwe wa babutaga but I would have expected nuntu nwe wa kariti interest cha Mount Kenya I would have expected ndero kariti ni interest cha Meru no kuigwa so nina bwakwa woni ndeka imenyi na ntikwira bangi ni bandingata ari nini utwe kwenda ndingata indi ndeka imenyi ithariri ria ngugi ndiri ria ngugi tubatere gukaria uria wina cheki ya gwita ngugi tumwinire tumugwirie athithie biria akomba kuthithia igitara kura ria kinya tucoke tukarende guru turania biria atwiririte ri akumba uthithia kethira atiumbite tugacho alternative njega kethira nombanite tutumbo chombo guchinchania bunduki na mugwi ithu thingate the right direction indi akeja kurega kumba na I'm saying it again ni kinya uni from where I sit ikethira barabara ekuma let me talk for myself ya mto centriment
yes.
Ikeja kutha barabara ije Coca-Cola witia kumira katheri kuma kithirone kwina mamonka kambau itithiro ikirira mine gwatana ntita kugira
so what you need barabara akibu kwende mo centriment
temo aki I'm giving an example Ganguti out of context my friend I'm giving an example of
yeah
project ni nyingi nda gweta kuma ria tukarire nthiguraja na ugwe an example of what is affecting me directly ibarabara nkugweta ikethirwa ni implemented one egwatana kwa uonge ukeja mbakire airport kwa kwanja indi kethirite kinyanirite ngeto chore ukejo mikinyirite
bitigire nkuri kiurege no chogire njere nkwe
yes.
Upinzani braba taringire ruto kura kinyemwe Wewe tutakuona maendeleo kwa Pio Wandai pakiwa 7 billion ichi ete Kisumu ichi ete Homabay ichi ete na votia na bari ngire president
nijimbe gutuma bo ba benefit dai ino nto batu twairirwe tukurikia kuthura thirikari twametonye thirikari ne batu twambiria kumiura itu opposition nande bana nabo beja thirikari nendene space ire yari yetu yatuika yao so bikikawa ibo bega tekatika arabi kugairwa ibo bakuga actually itu twachwete yes but ibo bagwete ruchio
ana am of a school of different thought no nto babwe kuratienu no si intact chikaringo na so netre nara kuira nara barabati omwenda ibo wikire maendeleo nto babu pia ya kana yara yakoya bukaringa kura
it is not true it is not, right now I am telling you again utotije urako kalima Mount Kenya utotije na twethura tutiairite turi bia tutikwenda gutaka reality thina ile tiambiririe kuja tia kuura thirikari na kumeneria na binabi they affected us so much na no bibi akarekere
no deputy president ne ngiro then
unto boy ichokere nyande kwana tutumira Ruto ari the best example Uhuru Kenyatta ari mwana wetu wa Mount Kenya iji but simple no tuito amwebera na gutekura kwendaga agwikura Uhuru enda 2022 ito amwebere antu beto bareta opposition bareta kukaria urabo pingana na Uhuru atwebere areto antu banki baraba kamukaria barabo mwenda na antu bara barendere na boiba kali kume ankurukie batwi iba ijekira kene to mite gwikira thirikari etene ikomikaria tha iwire etene nuntu bibie kwenda kwithira ije ne kari to tha iwire gitene iki into gwikia I can bet with you those people tugikwiria campaigns bakama tukabo methirikari ne bete opposition dingi kenda one betera ku negotiate na thirikari ile Kenya
nyabo gutema tukabo ya negotiate
but then for us no tumatuke ile tena arua nini thare yangugi riri okari ora wina cheki iro okari owo gwete ruchirwa kuga keki eji after 2026 December let us sit down as a community to re-evaluate imbito thithiritwe na imbito tithithiritwe.
Fair enough. My last question, corruption in government sha nambi nukubwa anto badirite na hospitali ni kuingwa funding of ghost schools na whatever, so in very few ones corruption dene thirikari bombo kuwa atega bana kaime
ambuge ni it is unfortunate that yora twititega corruption ititekithuka saidi anto akubwa actually kanyuma tumite when Kibaki was president anto barabomba kuya thirikari ne bari bakaimono, and that is why we used to hear of so many scandals ekaruma kumera very fast Anglo Leasing twaruma kumemenya twinde Triton twaruma kumemenya twinde nunto anto baraba yaga bari very few twaje thirikari ne wira uma Eurobond angambi bya thingatana nande mwambirio ne first term toiga wa scandal day in day out nunto amba bari bakai eyo chokara ya ile thirikari ile 2017 eguchoka amba bainge inya saindi twatiga kuiga wa wamba arabo kuthithikira bila turikana mono president warungamire atwira Kenya is losing 2 billion in a day kire corruption na kinya the other I think last month na chokerete migambo ugarira ndaugaga Kenya ne rusaga 2 billion. I was saying the truth and Kenya batandikirire twaja thirikari neje. You may not be hearing of so many scandals, but nteto teka idongi mono, that is true. Nina tenda twairanya ya Kenya. We need to sit down and evaluate. Na ikia tumiuni nkweko ura agencies bakuga ningwetekani na agencies 100%. Nundu kethera tute fight corruption na tuwe sincere kire kurwaneo. Kethera tute rwana corruption ndiguru yetu tukamirus completely. Nundu today I and there another person anteli kana leo ura wogire na arwa Kenya we are actually budgeting for corruption. Yani bukibangira murandi ethera ijwa bilioni igiri cyo kongerwa bilioni ekwiya. Kethera murandi ijwa ngiri gana cyo kongerwa ngiri ngi gana kama gana jairi ira tikarewa ne arume. It is unfortunate. Na to alio uthirikari ne ake corruption iri. No to aira ne to ko thirikari na corruption. Go even to the private sector. I am telling you now, so many circles kachikurira uga tutoro na bantu minya kilo the other day. Kaba yiro ne anasiasa. Ba yiro no cooperators wensao. Uga tutoro ituone na tesa kwaki ndie ginya sectors corruption ira atonyere monka kwa karaje ka mwana aguchiarwa akamuto chindano ya corruption. Nuntu narua I'm telling you it is unfortunate as a country. That inaro muchiari arithomithia mwana akatumira mbechi nyinge muno university akithiria university antu athugani ora mwana uga ageta kuromba ngugi bwega akambiria kuthugania no kamuthithiria connections inaendeta gwita milioni 100 cha gwitogura space ya kwa borichi inaendeta gwita milioni 500 cha kugura space kwa TSC inaendeta gwita. That is the unfortunate thing ira twinio nuntu batwi nuntu president na aririria jumbe nambi twikaraje kale na jumbe be corrupt. I am telling you twin the ya Kenya unless we sit down and be sincere we decide as a people that in the fight corruption kuma kioni ningwa tuitekere mu uongo next to sincere ya Kenya ntweke ni ntita mbecha cha kurumania na wore kurumwa uginya wengwa atepokea mbecha cha kurumwa then ndiguru yetu igakara bwega.
Alright.
If it doesn't happen like that, I am telling you, it is so unfortunate that kinyana hara gutibatera kutha gukigweta na irwa na ruko, ruko rwingi. Go and do your own research. Ukaria rise na arwa, corruption ira atonyere etonya kinya kire religious institutions. It is so unfortunate as a country. It is so unfortunate that in arwa kinya kuona chukuru enjaga gwikia mwana oku. You have to think of who I have to bribe. It is so unfortunate that in Arua. Nande gautonya ke details imo.
Alright, parting shot kuke ime turiki mubango.
Betekiria my parting shot edro erivovo au ke corruption.
Okay.
Allow me to ask our people, let us be sincere as our people. Kiambere kile gatoma tomba go fight the corruption dragon to sincere na to omene. I decisions ira to ka make as our people. Come 2027 nuntukura chikaringwa. Itwete tukaringe kura na uma tena chiringi 200 muringi okura omba gwikomiti kiri kuringa kura athingatetie the right person ategete mutoro ka mutethia tembe chiria kurumania tema kethaja rombete gwa attend tomba kuringa kura in that way, then we shall get good leaders, and out of those good leaders I am certain and sure patere mago fight that corruption dragon. Inde keja kwithirwa tukarumu ambecha kenda twita kuringa kura. Take it this, bank it somewhere, we shall repeat the same cycle again and again na tugatura kwa ya corruption kanyuene inde mathithe ya tegwetania nabu.
Wow. Thank you Silio, no tupo kuona kanya kuya. Thank you very much kire barabo ndebe dra bare kire mubango barabo mboto my SMS no tulibura kidatu babu tutithira twina mubango yo tweta na biro kumethia mantu kire mitandao yetu kire nteo chetu cha thamwanja 7:30 na 9:30. Happy new month na Murungu abutharime sana bitamu tembedwa.